Hi, I'm Suresh Ramu, co-founder and CEO, Cytecare Hospitals, Bangalore. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, nanotechnology are no longer buzzwords in the area of healthcare. Today, we are seeing a lot of these come together along with the enhanced power of computing and microprocessors, which is really creating innovation in the way we can think about healthcare delivery. Many of these things were theoretical concepts at some point of time, and we are seeing applications of these come to bear in terms of enhanced efficiencies, reduced costs, better diagnostics, better treatment options, and targeted treatment options that we can give for patients, and overall improving patient outcomes. What we are also seeing is this whole area of cell therapies, which has evolved now to offer precision and targeted treatments for certain cancers, which I think is a very, very exciting development as we understand more about how our immune system can be utilized in the work to fight certain cancers. And I think we are very, very excited at Cytecare to participate in many of these technologies and bringing them to the market in an affordable and accessible kind of way. I think the most impactful innovations that are happening is in leveraging technologies. Right? I think there are many technologies that are coming in to bear. One is on the clinical side itself, and as we mentioned earlier, the cell therapies, the evolution of cell therapies, and the understanding of how we can actually modify some of these cells so that we can fight diseases, not only cancers, but many of the neurological disorders, many of the autoimmune disorders. Now we have potential solutions that are emerging because we are figuring out how the body actually keeps these systems in balance in a healthy kind of way and in a preventive kind of way. And I think these are really driving a lot of the innovation in healthcare. We're also seeing data analytics that will get applied to preventive medicine. I think the whole healthcare and well-being domain, which is going to be driven by the use of real-world evidence and data, which we believe is going to bring in a lot of value to patients. Targeted treatments, better and quicker recovery times, faster treatment at a lower cost is, I think, where healthcare is headed. And Cytecare is participating in many of these through real-world projects. We are participating in clinical trials. We are actually having an open platform to bring in innovation from universities, academia, as well as industry. And we are participating with several startups to enable this ecosystem so that we can fail fast, we can succeed quicker, and bring more affordable therapies to patients in India. At Cytecare, we believe that patient comes first in everything. And I think putting the patient first means much more than just the patient experience. We need to understand the outcomes that patients and families are expecting and how the entire process of treatment can be made quicker, faster, as well as more affordable. I think this is a continuous improvement process at Cytecare. We are looking at enhancing our involvement with patient advocacy groups, with the industry and academia, and be globally known for the best in terms of patient-centric healthcare delivery. As we expand into many areas, we are looking at transplants. We're looking at getting the community to be more aware about organ transplants, because I think the percentage of transplants that we're doing in the country is very, very low. And as an advanced surgical center, as an advanced center for care, I think our endeavor is to enhance that whole domain in terms of transplants. I think the biggest thing for us would be to participate in the feedback process from patients as well as from industry and academia, and bring that all in terms of delivery and care on a continuous basis to patients.